Yun na sana pakita ni Echo yung tattoo niya sa katawan. Hindi ho mangyayari yun dito. Mag-imagine na lang ho kayo. Di ba, teammates? Okay, buksan na natin ang bag ni Echo.
Okay.
Okay, you
Salamat
do it,
pala
Echo.
sa nag-sponsor nung lamesa namin.
Oo, napakaganda ng
Thank
mesa
you.
natin.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, first one, I have here. It's an octopus.
Woo! Alas na.
I have an octopus in my bag. So when you said that may bag raid ka, so I have an octopus palagi. So this is actually from the car. So nilagay ko lang sa bag ko just to make you laugh. Because I love, mahilig ako sa mga octopus.
Hi there, teammates! Welcome to my channel, Christine Babo's channel. By this time, I presume napanood nyo na yung vlog or interview ni Papu kay Jericho Rosales. At syempre, merong pa-tour ng Quezon Memorial Museum o ang museo ni Manuel Quezon. Marami tayong natutunan dyan dahil kaming tatlo nila Echo at Papu, first time naming pumunta dyan. At syempre, nag-enjoy kami sa pa-tour at sana nag-enjoy din kayo. Ito yung favorite part ko, yung pinakita kung ano talaga yung mga sinuot noon ni President Manuel L. Quezon. At syempre, din sa vlog ni Papu, naganap yung actual one-on-one interview with Jericho Rosales kung saan nandun mismo ang mesa at upuan na ginamit ni President Manuel Quezon nung siya ay Pangulo. For Jericho, special, meaningful, and very, very relevant itong location ng interview ni Papu at ng interview ko sa kanya. Dahil si Jericho Rosales mismo ang gumaganap bilang lead role sa pelikulang Quezon, ang buhay ni President Manuel L. Quezon, na ipapalabas na po sa October 15, 2025. Kaya naman, sa historical room mismo na ito, dito ko na rin ginanap ang aking interview kay Echo. Oh my, teammates! Sandali muna, pakikurat lang ako.
You call them teammates?
Teammates, if there's a teammate, classmate, teammates. Kasi di ba, teammate.
That's so cool.
Wait lang Sandali lang, compose ko lang yung sarili ko, okay? I've been a professional host for more than 30 years, Echo.
Yeah.
Pero pag nagpa-fangirling ako, ang hirap pala makompose yung sarili. Namimiki Mouse ako, namimini Mouse ako. Ano ba yun? Dinadaga.
Yeah.
Pero this is a dream come true.
Aww.
But I remember we got to interview before sa show namin ni Julius na Talk TV and sa morning show for your previous past films, no?
Yes.
Pero usually may ka-love team ka.
Yeah,
Pero for YouTube, kasi ngayon naman nauso to, di ba, yung content creation.
Isn't it nice? Isn't it nice, di ba?
Diba?
You get to do your own stuff.
Correct. This is our own republic.
Exactly.
Diba? This is my first time to interview you for our YouTube channel. So thank you.
No, thank you. Thank you for supporting our film, Quezon.
Ayun. Of course,
Thank
manunod
you.
kami ni Julius.
We'll invite you.
Yeah, sa premiere.
Oo.
So anyway, teammates, I'm now here with, kailangan pa ba na introduction?
Jericho Rosales.
Jericho Rosales,
Sir
or
Pogi
Echo.
ng Marikina. Nice.
Yun, Sir Pogi. Alam mo ba noon, yung bata-bata pa si Julius at mas bata ka pa, sinasabi para raw siyang kuya mo.
Pwede naman.
90s to.
Pwede naman, magkapatid
diba?
kami.
Kaya parang may natural affinity ako. Diba? Kasi yung kanyang pamangkin, Justin, who's getting married. Hi, Justin. Ka-look-alike mo rin, kahawig mo rin. I'll show you the photo later. Di ba, Papu?
Okay.
So talagang runs in the
I cute
family.
you guys, you call each other Papu and
Papu and Mamu. Since our morning show days.
That's so
OG, di ba? Imbis na Lola, Lolo, Papu, Mamu. So anyway, going back, so now we're here in my channel, Christine Babo's channel. Thank you, Echo. Ito na yung inaabangan nyo, yung ating imamarites, kung ano ang laman ng bag ni Echo at anong history ng bag na ito. Go, go, go! So here we are.
Okay.
We shall say, welcome to our bag talk and beauty talk with Jericho Rosales. Sorry, DJ.
Or back talk and beauty talk.
Kasi i-freeze ko yun.
Ka-teammates.
So, Echo, tell me about this bag. What's the brand muna?
It's not a very popular brand, but
Yeah,
it's
but it's a nice kind of leather.
Thank you so much. I always have a bag kasi na ganito lang yung size that I bring to work.
Parang overnight bag, travel
Yeah,
bag.
travel bag, overnight bag. So I
Yeah.
put all the things na ganyan lang
Ganda ng quality ng leather. Ito ba yung brand niya? Hindi.
Because I like boxing.
Oh.
And then, ito, binigay sa akin nung mga taga Lasal dati.
How cute.
It's a cat
Yeah.
And then may isa pusang gala siya, pero meron siyang pangalan. So, wala.
Yeah,
Gusto ko ng mga
dogs and cats.
And
Yeah, dogs and cats. So,
anyway,
souvenir,
this is
diwa.
the bag that I brought today.
Yeah.
Sabi mo, biglang may bag grade.
Correct.
So,
Thank you for saying
game.
yes.
Okay,
Game.
so what do we do?
So this is the kind of leather that's sturdy. Has it been with you for a long time? Matagal
No,
na ba to?
no. Bago lang to. I mean, mga 1 year pa lang sa akin
Uy,
to.
binili mo as a gift to self
It was
or
a
reward
gift.
to self?
It was a gift.
By Janine ba?
Hindi.
It was a gift
Yeah,
from a
yeah,
fan,
yeah. From a family member.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so ayan ang ating history ng bag.
Yeah.
It's new and it's a gift to Echo.
Hindi ako mahilig sa mga sa mga branded, super branded stuff.
Oh, nice.
Hindi talaga. Hindi ako mahilig sa relo. Mahilig ako sa mga onting jewelry na may meaning, ganyan sa akin. Pero I'm more for like quality and practicality.
And this is good quality. Is it imported or here?
This is,
Made here?
I think this is a frog leather.
Oh, frog.
No, I'm kidding.
Naniwala naman talaga ako.
I don't know. I mean, I forgot the name. Mamaya mahanap ko
Basta,
yung name niya. But
Yeah,
this
wala
one,
naman sa brand yan. It's a craft. Doon
It's
yung
nice,
sa
right?
craftsmanship.
Yeah.
Iba yung leather o yung quality, which is
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
But before we open the zipper sa bag mo,
Okay.
you mentioned your accessories na. You said hindi ka mahilig sa mga mamahaling relo, pero mahilig ka sa mga ganito na may meaning. You mentioned the word meaning.
Oh yeah, I've had
Anong
this before.
meaning?
This
Yeah.
one is my ring for, I have may wings dyan, may arrows, may star, and I always wear this ring, and I love this ring so much. You'll see me even in my interviews. It's my reminder to follow my dreams, and freedom is very important to me. So it's my signet ring. Then I like tattoos na may mga meaning. So
Ano bang mga meaning
ito,
nito?
Aki Iora. It means here and now.
The here and now.
That's my treasure.
Ganda.
So this is my treasure now. You, my interview here with you, my moment here. So it always brings me to just here. If I'm worrying, huwag ka dun sa forward, dito ka lang.
Focus.
If I'm nostalgic and nalulungkot, come dito ka lang.
Focus on the now.
Now, yeah.
And not worry about the future.
Yeah, exactly.
Ganda.
So, yeah, I have this, ito, kalasag. And then, this is my favorite.
Ano to?
Yung Orion's
Si
belt.
Si One Wood?
This is not Wangud. Ako lang yan. Pero,
okay.
Pero and then this one, may sili ako dito.
Bakit sili?
Bicolano.
Oh, Bicolano.
Meron akong heart dito kasi yun yung religion ko.
Oh.
Love. So, I just
Buong katawan mo ba?
Meron sa katawan dito sa paa, meron din. But I like expression. I like reminders also to myself. Kaya lagi akong may mga kutingting na may meaning sa akin.
Yung hikaw mo, may meaning ba
Hindi,
yun?
dahil lang, ang meaning nito dahil batang 90s ako.
Ayun, at yung kwintas?
This one is, I think I'm wearing Libra.
September ka kasi.
Yeah, pero mas Virgo ako eh. Pero actually, si Janine to kasi siya yung Libra talaga.
Ayun.
Actually, si Janine is, yung birthday niya is October. Sometimes I'm Libra. Sometimes I am Virgo. So, iba-iba yung ugali ko, parang ganun. No?
Kaya magkasundo rin kayo. Kasi diba magkasundo kayo, Virgo, Libra.
Yeah.
Virgo, diba? Nagbabalance siya, nagbabalance.
Correct.
The balancer, diba? And ito, I just need to know, where did you buy this?
In New York.
New York.
Pinagawa ko yan sa New York.
Pinagawa. No wonder, that's all your, alam mo na, the arrow.
Meaning, mga ganyan.
Thank you,
Marami
Echo.
pa akong mga ibang mga ganyan sa bahay.
I'm sure wini-wish yun na sana pakita ni Echo yung tattoo niya sa katawan. Hindi ho mangyayari yun dito. Mag-imagine na lang po kayo. Di ba, teammates? Okay, buksan na natin ang bag ni Echo.
Okay.
Okay, you
Salamat
do it,
pala
Echo.
sa nag-sponsor nung lamesa namin.
Oo, napakaganda ng
Thank
mesa
you.
natin.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, first one, I have here. It's an octopus.
Woo! Alas na.
I have an octopus in my bag. So when you said that may bag grade ka, so I have an octopus palagi. So this is actually from the car. So nilagay ko lang sa bag ko just to make you laugh. Because I love, mahilig ako sa mga octopus.
Bakit?
Yes, I think they're the best representation ng mga actors.
Dahil?
They're intelligent.
Okay,
They can change in color. They can sometimes shift in shape. And they're just like intelligent animals, you know what I mean? So I feel bad sometimes eating
Octopus.
Pusit.
Or octopus pa po mismo.
Yeah. Pero madali lang to sa IKEA, meron ito.
Hindi, tsaka maraming galamay, di ba? Because
Maraming
you
galamay.
actors can do so many things at the same time. Multitasker. To yun,
so,
di ba?
nandun lang siya lagi sa car ko. So, tinatanong pag wala, pampasaya sa car. Kita mo
Sumaya kami. Dito natin lalagay. Dito ka muna, octopus. May pangalan ba to?
Yan si Odin.
Odin.
Si Odin.
Akala ko Ecotopus.
My phone is here, of course.
Of course.
You always need a camera.
Yes.
Speaking of camera, so I brought my camera here because I'm with Karen today. And Karen's our creative director / photographer. And they always challenge me and inspire me to shoot.
Yeah,
So yan. And since we're here sa Quezon City Circle, magandang mga pictures makukuha na natin dyan.
Yan kasi hobby mo and passion.
Yeah. I have another yellow band. It's a band for my shoulders. So I have this habit of exercising. And so this one is actually, right now, nagte-therapy ako for my shoulders. So I always have that.
Why? Ba't ka
It's just because of tennis. So I love sports. So I always have to, kailangan pag everyday kailangan gagalaw ka muna para yung dugo mo nagfo-flow and yung ligaments mo, yung muscles mo, you're mobile and you're
So ito yung pa-warm up.
Pang-warm up, parang mga ganyan. Madami pwedeng gawin yan. So just because of this, you can do abs. Ito pag gusto mo sa ulo pwede. You can do biceps, you can abs tuloy. And then pwede for my legs and then lahat yan. Just ito lang kailangan yung dalhin and then pwede na kayo
Ano po nire-regalo kay Chulo sa Pasko? Wala na siyang excuse.
Goma.
Goma.
Shades, I always have glasses, of course. I need glasses and
Mayroon ba yung
shades.
Grado? Antipara?
May grado yan.
Anong grado mo? Kung salamin ka na.
Ang grado ko, mababa lang. But I use it for evenings kasi pag pagod na ako, medyo naduduling na ako.
Pag nagko-computer o nagbabasa?
Yeah, it's protection also. So I have that. And then, what else do I have? Pabango. Lagi ako may pabango.
What's your pabango? Oy, I'm sure gusto malaman yan ng mga fans mo. Ano ang scent ni Jericho?
Secret.
Syempre kasi gagayahin.
Secret, but it's this brown...
Secret sa inyo, pero ako nakikita ko siya.
Yan.
Na hindi ko siya mabasa.
Na yan, 15 years ko na yan na ginagamit. And it's always my cologne.
Itong signature scent mo.
Yeah.
Kala ko 15 years na to bago maubos. Ang tagal Parang pwede na museum to
Magic.
Okay.
And then
Sige,
ano pa ba?
takpan mo muna.
Meron akong kikay kit palagi sa bag ko.
Ayan, gusto mo makita ang kikay kit ni Echo. Kikay kit, ilabas na yan.
Lip balm.
Lip balm.
Yan. Tapos
same brand.
Of course, meron akong alcohol.
Correct.
Yan, meron akong ganyan. Meron akong menthol, singhot-singhot.
Uy!
Gusto mong ma-relax.
Tita of Manila ka na pala talaga eh.
Tita of Manila.
Kasi
pag mahilig ako magmotor, di ba? Mausok. Mabaho. So, minsan ito, pang relax ng isip, di ba? Kasi pag nasi-stress ka na sa tapos okay, pag hindi ko kasama si EJ, tinuruan niya ako mag-makeup, so may makeup ako sa...
Marunong ka?
Ganun-ganun lang. Pero yan, may makeup sa bag ko.
Ano ba to? Concealer.
Kasi hindi mo na masasabi, di ba?
Touch up pag may mga gray.
Palaging may mga di ba? May mga makeup, may kailangan ng di ba? Kailangan lumabas, parang ganyan. So, ako proud ako
Pero most of the time, okay ka sa salt and
white
pepper
hair
mo.
ko. I love my white hair. Actually, naiinis ako pag kinukulayan ko yung buhok ko.
So, kailangan to pag may shoot or something?
Pag may shoot. Kasi minsan, kunyari, brand shoot or whatever, di ba? Or photo shoot na ganyan. Or nire-request na lang, can we cover your, So, andun pa ako sa stage na yun na hindi pa nila matanggap na may white hair ako.
Pero mas maganda. Ako rin nga, hindi ko nga ako matanggap nung malaman ko yung age na Echo. Okay, we're allowed to reveal.
I'm 45.
45?
Turning 46 this year.
Seriously? Vampira ka ba?
Sa September.
Kasi,
kain lang kayo ng gulay.
Okay.
Tsaka dapat masaya.
Gulay.
Masaya lang.
You're a vegan?
Dati, nag-try ako 1 year. Pero okay na ngayon. Kailangan ko ng B12 so kailangan ng hype. So, but mainly, fish, chicken, last yung red meat talaga.
So hindi ka steak eater.
I love steak, but only like once a month, ganyan. Or baboy, paminsan-minsan. Pero gulay, isda, manok. Yun ang kanin.
Kanin ka. Kanin is life sa'yo.
Kanin is
Kasi you gotta burn it eh.
Kanin is life, brown rice, adlay. Sa kanin, ulam, gulay. Lutong Pilipino. Diyan tayo.
Ano favorite mo?
Pinakbet.
Paired with?
Pinakbet paired with...
Crispy pata.
Hindi. Pwede na lagyan ng bagnet yun eh. Okay. Oo. Pwede lagyan ng bagnet yun. But masarap yan with, kunyari, pritong isda.
Oo.
Pampano, galunggong, alumahan, ganyan.
Kakamay ka?
Siyempre.
Kakamay.
Minsan nga may isda yung kamay ko eh.
Pero may kulon ka naman eh. So, do you cook?
Yes, I do.
Ooh,
I can cook.
Ay, nakita ko sa Instagram mo, nagluluto ka.
I can cook. Basic lang. Basic mga Filipino food. Kaya ko. But
tulad ng
wala masyadong
pinakbet.
time eh. Tulad ng pinakbet, tulad ng adobo, tulad ng sinigang, tulad ng hipon na may gata, mga ganyan. Minsan pasta, minsan steak, pag may mga bisita, maraming salad, ganun.
Wow!
Pero hindi syempre kasing galing ng mga chef, pero masarap. Masarap naman.
Sino mas magaling magluto, ikaw o si Janine? Cook off.
Parang yan, parang tumatawag ng cook off yan. No? Parang tumatawag ng cook off yan.
But she cook for you. Kaya ka ba niyang talunin sa lutuan?
She cooks for me and favorite ko yung niya. Meron siyang niluto sa akin na sosyal ng isda. Huwag na yung isda na yun.
Salmon?
Sabihin ko sana baramundi.
Baramundi. Ano ba sa Tagalog ang baramundi?
Ang baramundi sa Tagalog ay...
yun sa Tagalog. Maalat ba to?
Isdang...
Para ba siyang barakuda?
Para siyang
baramundi, barakuda.
Para siyang pamilya ng...
Eko, nag-google na ako. Ang baramundi pala ay local sea bass o apahap. I-google natin. Baramundi.
Pero hindi,
pamilya
na lang, salmon na lang. Salmon, tapos
Ayun.
may mga, sa ibabaw, may mga capers, may mga lemon, dill, ganyan.
Yeah.
Basta masarap. Masarap siya magluto. Lastly, last na to. Wala na eh.
Wala na?
Eto, alam mo kung bakit? Kasi
Uy!
namimigay ako lately nito kasi nagpa-promote kami ng Quezon.
Uy, pwede naman yan. Pa-autograph naman dyan.
Tapos meron akong golden pen from my manager. Thank you so much.
Tanong mo, bagay na bagay talaga sa'yo yung ganito.
Diba?
Papo, parang kamukha niya dito si Leonardo DiCaprio.
Diba? So, ito lang muna yung gift ko sa inyo kasi wala pa ilalagay.
Thank you. Uy, precious to. Tintin and Julius.
Love Echo. Hindi, dapat meron sarili si Julius.
Sarili ka, Papo. Dalawa ipapa-frame natin.
This is for you.
Nakakita nyo to, ha?
Diba, ready? Diba? Masipag na bata.
Oo, ang galing. Masipag na bata. The best.
Masipag eh.
Ay, tapos, aside from Julius, mamigay tayo sa isang viewer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. If you're a true fan of Echo through the years, mag-comment lang kayo dito sa comment section para itong third na pipirma ni Echo, papadala ko sa inyo.
Yeah,
With matching ballpen, ha? Ito, ganitong ballpen ng Julius and Tintin. Ayan na,
Thank you. Thank you for that, ha?
Diba? And promise to watch, syempre, all his projects, especially ito, Quezon,
Quezon.
showing na ito sa
October
15. Oh,
Yes.
diba?
Thank you. This is so much fun.
Oh,
Here
this
you
is
go.
for the fan. Oh, yan Ay, dalawa. Fans!
Tatlo
Ito
na.
Gusto ko tong close-up na to,
Tas yours na.
Uy, thank you.
Can we let's invite them please to the
Yeah, yes,
Paano
please.
meron pa kami mga
Kung
may
October
mga
15,
merch din kami kaso wala dito ngayon yung namin.
Oh, hintayin ko yan. Ayan, dami. Naku, swerte ng
Thank
ilang
you
fans.
so
Tatlong
much.
fans or
Thank
dalawang
you.
fans. Uy, thank you. So, just type in the comments below yung why you should be the winner of this. So, yung Quezon na pinirmahan ni Echo mismo.
Tatlo na. Yan,
Pak!
tatlo.
Oh, diba?
Thank you.
Yun! Ay,
Huwag
naku,
niyo ibenta
thank
kay
you.
Boss Toyo, ha? Tabi niyo. Tabi niyo. Bibenta rin nila. Hindi niyo pwede pag nakita ko yan doon, pumunta ako kay Boss Toyo, at nakita ko na binenta niyo yung mga pinirmahan ko. O, kung sino man na binigyan ko ng mga gamit, tapos binenta kay Boss Toyo, nako kayo ha.
Paano ko ako magbenta?
Pag matindi yung pangangailangan.
Pag matindi pangailangan. Thank you so much. So wala na tayong...
Gusto mo nagliligpit na ako?
Oh, yes,
Wala na
yes.
Wala na
Tama yan. Kukunan natin habang nagliligpit
earphones
ka.
na yun nandyan.
Ang galing mo talagang kinukunan ko habang nagliligpit yung aking
you,
pinipicture.
diba? Oo.
So yun pala ang secret mo to being a vampire at 45. Hindi ka mukhang 45, mukha ka ng 36.
Thank you
sabi
so
namin
much.
ni Papu.
I think you should really ang tunay na kayamanan ay ang inyong katawan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag nasisira na yung katawan ninyo dahil sa salapi, ibig sabihin hindi balance, di ba? So, dapat, while maganda yung pera dahil magagamit nyo yan na kasangkapan sa buhay, dapat yung katawan nyo tatagal ng di ba? Kailangan healthy kayo. So, tulog ng mahaba,
Kaya mo sa schedule mo? Natutulog ka pa ng
Yung manager ko talaga hindi pwede, magagalit yan kapag...
So, nagnanap ka rin? Kailangan mo ng nap, power nap?
May nap din ako. Kailangan
yan sa mind.
Yeah, non-negotiable yun. Kailangan may non-negotiable ka sa buhay mo. Yung parang ganun. So, syempre, kailangan, financial situation mo maayos. Para at peace ka, makatulog ka, di ba? O, kapag tabi ako, ito yung ganyan ko, hindi ko ginastos lahat. Yung health mo, hindi ka kasi minsan hirap matulog, may masakit dito, may nararamdaman ka.
Meron ka na ba nararamdaman?
Wala naman, puro kasiyahan lang.
Hintayin mo mag-50.
I mean, it's part of life, pero like, workout talaga.
Yun nga.
Workout, very, very
Sabay
important.
mo nga si Julius sa
Kasi
workout.
ako, ayoko nung, kunyari may naramdaman ako, kunyari may napapraning na ako, yung parang hindi naman pakali, kunyari, pa-check up ka, kunyari, nagkamali ka, nagpa-check up ka ng New Year's, ganun. Siyempre, kain ka ng kain, di ba?
Correct.
Kasi tatakbo ka na, kaya boxing na, gano'n. But you have to have, time for working out, ganyan. Okay lang yung Okay
But how do you take care of your inner self?
Meditation, prayer, alone time. So sometimes pag kumakain ako, hindi ako nagtetelepono. Actually, most of the time. May cut-off ako sa telepono paggabi. May cut-off ako social media, ganyan. Ano pa ba?
Do you have a simple prayer that you say before you sleep?
Yeah. Sometimes I joke about it a lot, but sometimes I joke na, I pray to cats and to animals. Nagugulat yung mga friends ko. No, you have to fill your heart with, a checklist na saan ka grateful. Yun lang. Basic lang. I have a direct line to God. God, salamat sa family. Salamat sa time. Salamat sa health. But most importantly, it's the time that you have with your family, with everyone, with yourself. Time for balance, thanks for the talent, thanks for the abilities. Just gratefulness. Kasi basta sinunod-sunod mo yung pag-thank you mo versus yung wishes mo. The thank yous overcome all of the desire. Nawawala yung parang feeling mo may kulang ka. Kasi pag nagde-desire ka, parang feeling mo may kulang sa'yo, di ba? Kasi sobrang gusto mo yan eh. So parang feeling mo, ini-invite mo yung energy na hindi mo kaya, wala sa'yo. But if you say thank you all the time, you feel so rich. You feel so happy. You just feel like, oh my God, I have so much stuff, So thank you. Thank you ka lang ng thank you. And then and then all of of course I have wishes. Sana ganito, sana ganyan. And then it just happens. I just give my wish, then lakad na ako. Hindi na ako masyadong gigil. And then biglang darating na lang.
Sakto, lapit na ng birthday mo.
Yeah.
Care to share with us a wish that you can publicly say? What is your birthday wish na you're turning 46? 46.
Well, simple lang yung wish ko is to be surrounded by animals. So, good-looking animals like you guys. Just kidding. No, I really like animals. I want to be surrounded by animals.
So in a zoo, you want to celebrate in a zoo?
A zoo.
A zoo. Wow, that would be fun.
Yeah, zoo. A really nice zoo.
Oo.
A really great zoo.
Uy, punta ka. Kikita mo ako doon.
Makita ko yung mga pinsan ko doon. But yeah, I mean, but of course, I wish that sana, syempre, of course, our movie talaga, will be appreciated and supported by, the entire Philippines, because this is for me such a blessing. I've long wanted to work with TBA, with Gerald, and to work on something as big as Quezon, and it happened. So it's a dream come true for me. This is unbelievable. Pinch me, please, because thank you. Because I'm so may masahe pa. I'm so grateful for this. But yeah,
major milestone yan sa career mo as an actor, one of the finest actors of your generation, and it's evergreen. And I wish you can win an award for this.
Actually, okay, bonus na lang yun eh. Bonus na lang yun.
Mapanood ng maraming tao, yun lang dapat.
Yeah, and for this is filled with so many lessons, filled with so many inspiring moments, and I just pray that I continue to make movies like this.
You will.
Thank you.
Got a long way to go. So again, watch Quezon. Ikaw na to, itong part na to.
Please watch Quezon on October 15, 2025 in cinemas nationwide.
And school tours?
School tours, of course. We have check out our social media handles. Jericho Rosales Official, TBA Productions, and Dakila. And then makikita nyo yan sa mga announcements namin. But we'll be going to different cities, from Iloilo to Naga to Cebu, and we'll be promoting the film and talking to the youth about their wishes and yung gusto nila sa
yung mission nila
movie,
sa buhay.
mission sa buhay, gusto nila sa Pilipinas, kung ano man mangyari dyan. So, anything goes. But yes, thank you so much and thank you for having me here.
Congrats, Echo, in advance.
Thank you.
I'm grateful for your time. So, ito na yung part na sasabihin natin, yung subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please
Please like, comment, share, and
subscribe. Yan. O nga, may like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yan. Hindi kaya gawin ni Julius to. Kaya ka itong gawin. Okay. And then, thumbnail. Tayo bagay sa atin. Ito na yung thumbnail with the bag. Okay. Apo, ito, kita. Nasa gitna ba si Echo? Bag niya to eh. Yan. Teka, doon pala tayo sa puti. Kasi yun ang thumbnail.
Nakatingin eh.
Ay, buti pa ikaw! Ako na doon sa isa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Papu.
Grabe,
Okay.
tag team.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
So happy. This is
Thank
a
you for this.
milestone.
Thank you for
You're
supporting our
welcome.
show,
Of course,
our
I will
movie.
see you sa, if October 15 yan, malamang 14 yung premiere.
No.
Hindi. Hindi siya the night
12.
before. 12. Okay. Natuwa naman si Echo sa aming pa-souvenir na Julius and Tintin show na pen. Naaliw. And that's from Julius.
So cool.
Yeah, for your
Thank you, bro.
museum. For your museum.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow,
We give
this
that
is
a souvenir.
You should have merch.
Yeah, you should.
Merch nila, oh.
If you need one, it's my friend who does that. So we'll give her business.
Talaga?
Yeah, it's just 70 pesos per mug. Yeah, giveaway mo.
Yeah.
Right? Even the pen is just 35.
Manuel L. Quezon, ano. Thanks, guys.
Oo nga.
So sweet.
Oo nga, no.
No.